Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign audio to a bus in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful for grouping multiple audio tracks together and applying the same effects or adjustments to all of them at once, which can save you tons of time in your editing workflow. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Fairlight. This is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio editing workspace, and it's where all the magic happens when it comes to advanced audio mixing and routing. Now that you're in the Fairlight workspace, look at the top menu bar, click on Fairlight in the menu, and from the drop-down option, select Bus Format. This is where you'll be able to create new audio buses and configure how they're set up for your project. In the Bus Format window, click on Add Bus. You'll notice a new bus appears in the list. To give it a proper name, double-click on the default name field and input your desired bus name. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your project, like dialogue bus or music bus, so you can easily identify it later. Next, make sure the bus format is set to stereo. This is the standard configuration for most projects. While you're here, you also have the option to change the color of the bus if you want. This is completely optional, but it can help you visually organize your mixer, especially if you're working with multiple buses. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK. Give the system a moment to process and create your new bus. Now shift your focus to the right side of the screen where you'll see the mixer panel. You can expand this panel to get a better view of all your tracks and buses. Your newly created bus should now be visible in the mixer alongside your other audio tracks. With your bus created, it's time to assign audio tracks to it. Look for the section labeled Bus Sends on your audio tracks. On the audio track you want to assign to the bus, click the plus icon located above the track. A menu will appear showing all available buses. Click on the bus you just created to assign that track to it. Finally, navigate to your bus track in the mixer. Above it, click the plus icon and select Bus 1 from the options. This completes the routing, allowing your audio to flow through the bus properly. And that's it. You've successfully created an audio bus in DaVinci Resolve and assigned tracks to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.